So I don't come back my people. Make you no be like say I no sabi speak English. I sabi speak English well well. So make I show una say I sabi speak English. Make my students make they aware say I never forget how to speak English. So let me revert back to uh, English speaking. All right. So in this question, we are to make A the subject of formula. So let's solve. This is a bit complex, but we'll solve that. So what happens is that this is a fraction. We also make this a fraction. So that we say P, this will multiply this, and this will multiply this. That is making subject of formula. So P will multiply this here. So that I have P into bracket A minus B, right? Is equal to 2A plus B multiplied by 1 will give you the same value, because anything multiplied by 1 will give you the same value. So we expand this bracket. P times A is PA minus P times B is PB is equal to 2A plus B. So we'll have, we'll collect like terms. So we say PA minus, this is plus 2, so it changes to 2A is equal to PB, is equal to B. This one will cross to this side and change to plus PB. Now the like terms we're collecting is that so that anyone that has A will move to the same side and anyone that has B is on one side. So here, what is common among these two is A. So we write A, say P minus 2. This is the same thing here. So I say, you say A times P is PA, A times 2 is 2A, minus 2A, right? So we have, what is common here is what? B. So you simply say B into bracket 1 plus P, because if we have, because you say B times 1 is B, and you say B times P is, B times P of course is PB. So we are forging ahead. Now, we divide both sides by the coefficient of A. The coefficient of A is P minus 2, right? And then P minus 2. So we'll have A is equal to B into brackets 1 plus P all over P minus 2. So this is the correct answer. Bye.